Today we're unboxing a nice little Seiko chronograph by the name of the Seiko SSB387P chronograph titanium. With its quartz movement and relatively safe design language, by taking a look at this watch you would assume it's just another standard Seiko, and by most measurements it is. However, the one big thing it's got going for it is found in the materials department. This watch here is crafted out of titanium. Now, there are many advantages to titanium, but the main ones being is that it's really light and really strong. In fact, titanium has the highest strength to weight ratio of any metal. This watch only weighs 85 grams. It is super light. It's so light that when you pick this watch up, it feels kind of cheap, but it's not, and the build quality is good. So it's quite a weird experience wearing this one. It's honestly a surprising watch. So it's light and strong, meaning it'll make for a great beta watch. It's not terribly expensive either, so anyone working with tools or in a generally activity-driven environment, this will be a great everyday wear. And it does wear well with a diameter of 41.6 millimeters and a thickness of 14.2 millimeters. It fits snug on me. The dark blue dial uses a weaved carbon fiber look, which offers a nice amount of texture, and combining that with the chronograph subdials, we get a really tough looking dial. Overall, a nifty little watch from Seiko, using a material that is notoriously difficult to work with. So, what do you think? Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to the Watch Depot channel for more watch content. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.